Hi again, it's me, Airi. Welcome back to my diary. Today, I want to talk about things I like because I think favorite things say a lot about a person. So, here are some of mine. My favorite food is chocolate cake. Soft, sweet, and a little bitter. I like the smell and the feeling after the first bite. It feels like a small hug. I like the sound of rain. When it's quiet outside and the rain taps on the window, I feel safe and calm. Pink and brown are my favorite colors. Pink feels soft and brown feels warm. Together, it feels like strawberry chocolate. I also like alt notebooks. The ones with yellow paper, I don't write anything, I just like the feeling when I touch the pages. So, that's a small piece of me. Maybe next time you can tell me your favorite things too. Let's keep learning English slowly together. Thank you for listening. Bye!